Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2018 Chevy Silverado grille. First, gather a socket set, trim tool and gloves, and disconnect the battery. Start by opening the hood and identifying retaining bolts and clips around the grille perimeter. Keep parts organized in labeled containers to avoid confusion during reassembly. Work methodically from top to bottom, releasing clips gently to prevent damage to paint and trim, and check alignment as you go. Remove top bolts and screws first, then move to side fasteners to start freeing the grille assembly. Carefully pry plastic clips with a trim tool, easing pressure to prevent snapping them. Store bolts and clips in separate containers or labeled bags so you can reinstall correctly. Inspect the lower fascia area for hidden screws or push pins that may still secure the grille before attempting to lift it free from the vehicle. Once all fasteners are removed, lift the grille straight out with steady, even pressure to avoid bending tabs. Inspect mounting points and clip locations for damage, replacing any broken tabs or clips before reinstalling. When reinstalling, align the grille carefully, hand start bolts to ensure proper fit, then tighten to specified torque if known. Double-check gaps and alignment visually, and test hood closure to confirm nothing interferes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.